I first want to say that we are super grateful to just be in this stage and be able to be in this place. So we're really grateful and thankful for God for putting us in this situation. But we also want to say, we know we're LaSalle's a championship team, and for us, as I left the house today, I kept saying to myself, we have to beat one of the big teams in this tournament in order for us to finally to arrive. With a sophomore, and a freshman, we have to eventually have a level of maturity level where we can win one of these games when it's close. And if we can, we feel like the sky's the limit for this team. And so I'm so happy with these guys because we knew they were going to make a run in the second half. We knew they were going to come out a little more aggressive, but we practiced really hard on Friday. Maybe those are our fans. I'm not sure who's yelling, but I don't know. I'm almost at a loss for words, which is unheard of. But I will say this: my cousin back at home, Anthony Fullerton, told me today I was like, about the game coming up and how intense the game is. He goes, well, who else is on that stage? So being on that stage already, you already won. Now just go get the results. So I'm grateful for my cousin for giving those words of wisdom the other day, this morning. And then Kirby, my God, incredible. John Ray, incredible. Jedrick was 100% the first half. I'm not sure what he finished with, but the future of FAU is right here, and the sky's the limit for them if we continue to work hard.
Davies to Jet, they have 10.6 rebounds, 1 assist.
Yati
Tawa.
Arat.
So, alam mo, sabi ko napakalaking panalo niyang team nga. Napakabata ng team na ito. So, ano man sabi mo na dinalo yung isa sa mga title contenders this season?
Talking about now, not next season, though.
Ha?
We're talking about this year, not
I
next
know.
year.
Pakiulit nga po.
Ano man sabi mo
We're talking about this season. We're still playing now. Huh?
Yeah. Uy, tawa ba? Para sa akin lang, tsaka para sa aming team, talagang nag-focus lang kami nung these past days kasi naramdaman namin yung pagiging hard ni Coach Sean sa amin nun sa pagkatalo namin sa inyo. But at the end of the day, nag-respond lang kami ng tama. Tsaka itong panalo na to malaking kumpiyansa na magpapaboost sa amin para sa next games, para makamit namin yung pinapangarap namin Final Four spot. So yun, tatrabahuin pa namin hanggang sa makakaya namin. Yun lang.
18 to Kirby at 10 points. 10 rebounds.
Basketball double, guys.
So, ano man sabi mo na yun nga? Nadala na rin kayo sa Labotas after 3 years against the Santa. Being sa grouping, ano man sabi mo na ito, kumapit kayo hanggang sa dulo?
Yun nga, sa wakas.
Lakasan,
Hey.
Mic check. Yun nga, sa wakas, talo kami. Ano lang, grabe din yung namin sa practice ng last few days namin. Si Coach Sean, nakita namin yun sa practice, sobrang, parang, ano na siya, sobrang focus niya. Parang galit siya sa amin na parang pinapakita niya namin na kaya namin. And yun nga, binigay lang namin yung best namin. Yun nga, kailangan na magrespeto sa kalaban na talaga.
Finally, Johnny, 70.7 assists. 1 rebound. So, ano man sabi mo na yun nga?
Rebound ko.
Ang tagal niya rin hindi niya nagasalasal. At syempre, isa sa mga title contenders this season at most important thing, nasa title for days pa kayo.
First of all, yun lang kasi kaya kong bago kasi yung Lasal game, sobrang na-frustrate si Coach Sean sa akin eh. Parang yung past games namin against NU, kinausap niya ulit ako na kailangan natin mag-usap ulit, kailangan ko mag-reset sa mindset ko pagdating sa game na to na kailangan ko talagang dumepensa. Ayun, nadala ko naman ngayong game na to nag-respond naman ako sa ginawa ni Coach Sean sa akin eh. Lagi namang ganyan si Coach Sean sa akin, pag bad game ako, lagi niya akong ginagabayan lagi na kailangan natin ganito, kailangan mo pa mag-improve ng ganito. So, ngayong game, sobrang pasalamat namin first of kay God talaga kasi Kung kung di kami ginabayan ni God nung ngayong game na to, siguro wala na kami sa contender sa Final Four. So, yun. Sobrang saya kasi ilang years kaming dinanalo sa Leasal, di ba? Siguro mga 3 years pa? 3 years. So, sobrang laking boost sa confidence namin to pagdating sa last 2 games namin. So, yun.